让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, it's time for Practical Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this month, we're teaching you the phrase or 还是怎么说呢？
呀嘿，
呀嘿 But also this month it's Dragon Boat Festival. 这个月就是端午节嘛，的月份，所以我们把粽子来作为今天的主题好了。
好啊，
我太爱吃粽子了，
真的哈。
而且我现在也学会怎么包粽子。
我小学就会了。
好啦。Okay, we're going to teach you a scenario where you're going to eat some, rice dumplings, and we're going to ask if you made them yourself or you bought them. Okay? 这粽子是你包的还是买的？
亚中诶，
亚中诶，
係你讀嘅，
係你讀嘅，
也係買嘅，
也係買嘅。
亞中誒係你讀嘅，也係買嘅。
OK， 亞黑我们刚刚讲是 or 買嘅就是是不是買的，对不
对？
你刚刚说包的是讀嘅，
讀
嘅不是讀書的讀嗎？
不是
不是
咯，
嗎？
讀就是綁的啊。你看粽子不是要把它綁起來嗎？不然會散掉啊。
對，那也有說包粽子
啊，包粽子也有人講啦，就包嘅。
包嘅 OK 或讀嘅 OK。So literally you tie up a rice dumpling when you make it, but some people just use the general term to wrap it, and that would be 包。But if you want to say tie it, and the Hakka say tie it more, it's 讀。那其實這是我阿婆包的粽子啦。
阿婆讀嘅粽嘅啦。
阿婆讀嘅粽嘅啦。阿婆意思就是我的阿婆，
我的阿婆啦。
My grandmother, yes, indeed. That is, my grandmother made these, or she tied it, she wrapped it up. Okay, again, wrap is 包 and to tie it. All right. 那真的很好吃，我可以吃到3顆很恐怖。
真被吃。
有没有看到我的肚子？It was so delicious, I can eat 3 of them. All right. 怎么说呢？
好吃的。
好吃的。
愛做的是。
愛做的是。
三粒呢。
三粒呢。Let's review some of these phrases, such as, again, to wrap a rice dumpling or to tie it up. There are 2 ways of saying it. 包。包。那如果是綁的話，燙。Again, that's the more normal way that the Hakka would say it. And then the rice dumpling, 粽子。粽誒 And finally, so delicious, 好吃。好吃 Okay, it's all about the phrase or. Let's review that as well. 怎麼說還是呢？
呀嘿，
沒錯。好了，大家呢還是要多運動，吃3顆就要運動多一點，吃4顆就天天運動 OK? Alright, that's today's Practical Hakka.
是母太卡。
漢字say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.